Hello everyone! Father's Day is coming soon, so it's time for some great Father's Day gift ideas for kids to make. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. How about making Dad some of these adorable hand-painted coffee mugs? We bought this set from Michaels that includes a mug and paint and a paintbrush as well. This set also has instructions that can tell you how to make it. For making this, you will need a white coffee mug, paintbrush, and we also need some paint markers. Be sure that the coffee mug is clean and dry. Now we're going to make a cool design on the coffee mug. Think about your design and what you're going to make and draw it in the paper. Keep it simple and fun. So I'm going to make something like this. Keep your design simple. I'm using a paint pen to draw the picture. I'm drawing me and my daddy. Here I'm coloring with paint pens. It's really easy to color with paint pens. How do you like it? It looks cute. This is me and my dad. If you want, you can write a message like Daddy and me. I love my daddy. Best daddy ever. Here I'm writing Daddy and me. So I'm going to make another design and I'll be using these stickers. So I'm going to take out D, A, and D. If you don't want to use stickers, you can also use painter's tape. So I'm going to use this acrylic paint to color over it. It's good for ceramic textures. I'm using these round sponge brushes, so I'm just going to dip it into the paint and dab it onto the mug. I'm covering it with colorful dots. Let it dry, and this is how it looks like. Now that it dried, it's time to take out the stickers. Now you can see the DAD letters on this mug. For making the color permanent, we have to bake the mug on the oven. Set the oven to 360 degrees. Set a timer to 30 minutes. Immediately place the painted mug in the oven while the oven is preheating. Allow the mug to bake for 30 minutes. When complete, turn off the oven and allow the oven and mug to cool at the same time before removing the mug. Once it's finished cooling down, it's time to take it out of the oven, wash it and dry it, and now your mugs are ready to drink from. You can add in some coffee. You can even wrap it up with gift paper. Another fun DIY is a bookmark. Does your dad really like to read books? Then this is the perfect gift for him. We will need colored craft paper, scissors, hole puncher, pencil or a marker, or string. I drew this tie shape. I'm going to cut it out and trace it on this blue paper. This is how it looks like. Fold the paper in half if you want 2 bookmarks. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to trace the white paper onto the blue one, and you'll get 2 bookmarks. So I traced it right here. Now I'm going to cut it out. Now it's time to make some design on the bookmarks. So take another sheet of paper and then draw something and cut it out, and just you can add for decoration anything. You can write something, you can draw something. But here I just took these cutouts of book shapes, so I'm going to glue them on. So take your hole punch and make a hole in the top. So take a string and make it through the hole and tie it on the end. So this is our Father's Day special bookmark. Love You Daddy keychain. This is the quickest gift idea for Daddy. I'm going to make it using alphabet beads. You can write any message you want. In this one, I'll be writing Love You Daddy. Take the string and start putting the alphabet beads inside. Now take your keyring and tie it inside the string. Just plug it in. What a cute keychain it is. Just hang it on your keys and your dad will surely enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.